Hey everybody, it's Tina Campbell, the New York and Western Connecticut regional partner of Master Networks, and I'm here with Maggie Carey. She's the editor of numerous local Hamlet hubs, and she's also a member of our Master Networks Brewster and Carmel chapter. Thanks so much, Maggie, for coming on with me, and we're going to talk a little bit, letting people know what the workshop that we are having this Tuesday night, January 22nd is about. So how you doing?
I'm doing great, Tina. Thanks so much for having me. I appreciate your time.
Awesome. So tell everybody what this special event is. It's called Improv Your Business, what that's going to be. And I just want to get everybody to understand what the date and the time is again. It's January 22nd. It's some networking from 6:30 to 7. And then you're starting right on time, very prompt at 7 o'clock to 8 p.m. And we'll give them more of the information on where it is, but more importantly, what is it?
So, Improv Your Business is a workshop that's going to be using improvisational theater exercises that will help fine tune business communication skills. The exercises are going to focus on listening skills, the ability to read body language, and to think on your feet with the added benefit of team building work, team building, working together for a common goal.
That's really interesting. So is there any previous experience necessary for this workshop?
No, not at all. The exercises are designed to help people um, communicate. So you don't need any prior experience. What I do suggest, though, is please dress casually. Bring a change of clothes. There's a bathroom there you can change in if you'd like. It allows for freedom of movement, which goes along with freedom of thought. Our objective with this workshop is to help business people understand how to use verbal and nonverbal communication skills. To pick up those cues that sometimes you miss. It really is an art of interpersonal communication.
Awesome. That sounds great. I'm certainly looking forward to it. And, just a little extra information that I'd like people to know about is we're going to have some light appetizers. I want people to know that the venue is at could you mention the theater name?
So it's the Old Town Hall Theater is the building at 67 Main Street in Brewster, New York. The studio around the corner is at the back entrance of this building. So basically, there's free parking, plenty of free parking in between the library at 79 Main Street and the Old Town Hall Theater at 67 Main Street. And park in there. We'll have some signage so people can find out where to go and find it. It's a big red door in the back.
Well, I'm looking forward to it. We have a number of people that have already RSVP'd. So I know that, again, it's going to start at 6:30 with some networking. Light appetizers start at 7 to do some of the workshop and the exercises. And also, we just want to make sure people know you can bring a friend, you can bring a family member if they're over 18. If you want to bring an associate, anybody, just ask them to come. Please RSVP if you can so we get an idea of how many it's going to be. And I'm going to put the RSVP Eventbrite link at the bottom of this video. Other than that, I think it's really exciting, and I can't thank you enough, Maggie, for doing this for Master Networks people and guests and anybody really that wants to come and to kind of jumpstart 2019. I think this is going to be a great workshop. It's going to be really fun.
Thank you, Tina. I'm really looking forward to it. We are going to have so much fun. This is not a workshop you're going to want to miss because you can take these exercises back to your office and really work on them with your team at your own office. You can work on them with your family. They're excellent communication building skills.
Great. Okay, I look forward. I'll see you there.
All right, great. Thanks, Tina. Bye.
Bye.